How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a black hole in Geometry Dash like this one. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to grab yourselves the particle effect. It's going to be inside the enemy section. Grab the first effect, which is going to be the particle effect. Place it where you want your black hole to appear, and then click on Edit Special. Turn the max particle to 10. Switch radius. Click Visual. And then you want to maximize the start spin option. And same thing with the end spin option. Also increase the start size and the end size to the maximum right here. And basically you want to change your color by clicking on these two icons. The first color, you want to turn this to red. And the second one, you can just erase the blue value. It will instantly turn it to yellow. Now that we have this color right here, navigate through texture and then select this specific effect or texture right here. This will turn it into this black hole effect. So just click on OK. And then, of course, we want to edit out its shape by increasing its scale. And then copy the effect by just highlighting it, Control C and Control B. Now that we have this two shapes, we can then click on the first one. And basically, we can then adjust its scale the way we want to. So I want to make my black hole this big. And then click Edit Group and turn this into something like T3. For this one, you want to stay at T1. Now, the last thing to do is to navigate through this specific area, and then you want to create circles out of the semicircles. So let's just place 4 right here real quick. Rotate them in a way so we will be able to make a circle. And of course, you also want to turn the color into black. Just head over to Edit Object and then make sure it's black right here. Now from there, you want to edit out the groupings by first selecting the bottom part. And then you want to turn this group into something like T3. And for the circle above, you want to turn this into T1. And so the only thing left to do now is to place them all together, which will basically look something like this. Basically, if the groupings did not work, you can just make sure that this too is higher than the base groupings. So with this one, I have set it to something like T4, and with the main one, I've set it to something like T3. And for the bottom circle right here, we have selected the next one, which is going to be T2. So of course, you can adjust this depending on the style that you want. And for the last effect, I'm going to highlight everything and then let's make it bigger. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.